ASUS. This is our new series of product line specially designed for the content creators. This is W700. Let's start with from the top. The panel is specially designed for the content creator. As you can see, the ratio is 16:10. It has a 25% larger working area than the normal 15-inch laptop. Also, what's special about this panel is that it has wider color gamut. It's calculated by DCI-P3, 97%, and also it is Pantone validated. Also, start from throughout this laptop, we have a special outlook, 45-degree diagonal line, and then the rose gold lining. And from the laptop can be flattened into 180 degrees. When the content creator go to meet their customer, they can show their work easily. In the keyboard, we designed four special hotkey. One is auto logout of the system, mute the mic, and then turn off the camera, and then easier snapping. Also, for this, we have number pad. This number pad, it can detect when you're actually typing the number or when you are using the mouse pad function. So you don't have to turn on and off the number pad all the time. It can auto detect your action. Also, this laptop, in order to support strong CPU and GPU performance, we have very well venting systems. And these, the end user can unscrew these screws and upgrade their memory easily. So it came with actually three USB gen, and then one HDMI and one Thunderbolt. The Thunderbolt can be up to 8K image. Yeah. And also it has a SD card. Yeah. To have more detail of this laptop, this is the spec. This laptop the customer will have the option of choosing either Xeon or i7, and it comes with this RTX 3000 Nvidia GPU. The memory can be up to 64 gigabytes, and the storage can be up to 4 TB. This is one of the thinnest laptop for Quadro. The thickness is only 18.4 millimeters. So this is the solution for the content creator when they go outside to meet the customers. Or when they want to do their work outside of their office, they can easily carry around and handle the work that they do. Yeah. Now we're gonna move on to our new model, which is W500. This is the preview. We just preview of this model in this event, Computex. What's special about this W500 model is that it equipped with RTX 5000 Nvidia Quadro. In the panel, this is actually 4K. 4K panel with a narrow bezel. Also, this is Pantone validated. Yeah. It also has very good venting systems. The keyboard is not finalized. This is just a model, just to preview on the Computex. When you look at the I/O port, has two USB and then one Type-C with a display and a power input and output. And it has a Y-LAN and an HDMI and another USB. Yeah. Also, very good venting systems. To talk more specifically about the spec, W500 was equipped with i7 Intel Core, Nvidia Quadro RTX 5000. The screen is UHD 4K, and then the memory can be up to 48 giga. storage is up to 4 TB, and you guys can be excited both of these products around Q3 and Q4 of this year. Yeah.